passion really didn't start until probably my late 20s, where I truly had a more of an empathetic perspective of what a homeowner goes through when they're building a home. And that's what I realized is the most enjoyable part for me.
When I was looking at a lot of houses, it was very easy to see, well, they did a great job making it look nice, but I can tell that it's not gonna hold up. We've been in our home for 2 years with dogs, with kids. The trim still looks great, the flooring looks great, and you can tell that it's in the quality of the materials.
When he chooses his materials and products, and he goes with the best option for his homeowners.
Man's been with me ever since I can remember. They got the same outlook that I have. They want to be completely transparent, they want to be honest with the homeowner, because it's challenging. There's different materials, there's different grade materials. Brian helps my homeowners and feel comfortable about that, and that's very important to me.
Long time ago, my dad said to me, I'd say, yeah, we're in the lumber business, Dad, lumber this, lumber that. He said, young man, we're not in the lumber business, we're in the shelter business. And I think we all think about that. Shelter is everyone, it's a basic need in our society.
The best part about Man's Lumber is their transparency, their honesty. If something is going to take 6 weeks, he doesn't tell me what I want to hear, he tells me what I need to know. If there is delay in material, tell me. That's okay. I want to know about it so I can let my homeowners know about it, so there's an expectation set.
He's a great trade partner, and he respects and treats his trade partners excellent. He sets high expectations, and you know that going in. That's how David's able to deliver a quality product on schedule. We don't have many disagreements in our professional life, but occasionally the only disagreements we do have is who's paying for lunch when we go out to lunch. He's just a great guy.
At the end of the build, the most important thing to me is I want to be able to walk through and say, the craftsmanship in this home is acceptable, and I would accept it at my house, I would accept it at my mom's house. I built the best home I possibly can.
If we had to do it over again, it'd be an easy decision to choose Hamilton Homes and Man's Lumber.